down, baby.
Yeah. Ow.
What?
Ow.
Is it hot? Let me see what's wrong. Go again. You okay?
Yeah. I got my pen.
Oh, this is pretty cool. I guess it looks like we can walk down there maybe, baby.
What?
Go ahead. Go down the slide again.
What's that thing?
There's swings. You want to go? They're down there. Do you want to go to them?
Yeah.
All right. Let me get your sister. Wait for mommy. Coda just ate so she's full. You ready, baby love?
Yeah.
I'm back. Oh, they have like you can play soccer.
Elbow.
Where? Yeah, come this way with mommy, please.
Yeah.
Which is cool because San Diego, none of the parks have like a soccer thing for anybody to play. So it's pretty cool. Juju, say hi.
I.
Cutie pie. The same color as the grass. I wonder if he's stuck. I hope not. Do you think he's stuck, Juju? Should we help him?
Yeah.
I'm not a butterfly expert, so I don't really know what to do, but he looks so cool. Oh, he looks the same color.
Yeah.
He's like, help me.
Yeah.
It's huge. I helped him, and he's freaking huge. Whoa. That's a weird butterfly.
I'm good.
Don't be scared, baby. It's like, he just has...
Ouch.
I don't know. It's cool, though. It's pretty weird. Can you try to walk on it, baby? You're so cautious, puppy. Good job, Papa. Look at mommy. Wave to mommy. Hi.
Hi.
Go, baby.
Yeah, I'm going outside.
Good job. Be careful for bugs, baby. Make sure to look for bugs. Huh?
That's the rock tree.
Uh-huh. You want me to help you jump down?
Yeah, the butterfly.
It's okay.
The butterfly.
It's okay.
The butterfly.
All right, ready? Come on
Yeah.
up.
Don't.
Look, you can jump right here. Give me your mom and I'm help you.
No.
Oh, no?
I'm trying to climb here.
You want to do it by yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, excuse me. You're so mature, baby. Such a big 3-year-old.
One.
Butterflies don't hurt, baby. They're not going to do anything to you. I promise. They're the friendliest bugs. Good job, baby. Look at you. High five.
Yeah,
Knuckles.
I'm coming.
Knuckles. Blow it up.
I'll blow it up.
You blow it up. All right, where do you want to go now? Oh, look at the squirrels. What are you trying to do? The squirrels? They're on the he's on the tree. They're like fighting with each other. Oh, there goes one. There goes the other one. I think he's right here. Did he hide? Did he go up?
I think he's gone.
Yeah, I think he went up. Those things go so fast. I think he went up. Alright, it's closed. Like, what the? It's pretty sketch. Watch out, baby. I want to see. Show me.
Says, like, da, and da, and da, 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 da,
It's pretty cool.
da. Let's go,
It reminds me of like the Illuminati eye. Like,
Let's
what?
go. Let's
Like,
go.
why would they have
Let's
Touch
go. Let's
on.
go.
that? I don't know. This place seems a little sketch. I don't know about at nighttime.
Let's go. Let's go.
But okay. And that thing though is really weird. It's like in the tree, just random. Like, what? Pretty weird. Huh?
Let's go to Alma.
Alright, come on. This is the place I was originally gonna come. and do a 3 mile, but since I don't have Selena's carrier, there's no way I can take the stroller. So, but we still came to look at it because Julius wanted to come see it regardless. So we'll come see. See, it would have been 3 miles with the kids and the stroller. No way.
Seen this.
Yeah.
Seen this. Seen that and that and.
You saw all those animals here?
No, I got sandals.
You're gonna find them? Okay.
Yeah,
Let's,
I got sandals.
okay. Let's. Yeah, we're just gonna check it out just to see. Yep. Next time we'll come again, right, baby? With sister's carrier. I can see the turtles now, but they're in trash. I feel bad. Yeah, there's tons of
And
them.
then outside.
Mhm.
And a big one. Baby.
So cute.
And a big.
Gorda just woke up. Selena, did you just wake up, mamas? You happy now? You happy, girl? Huh? You're mad? Oh. She's not happy. Okay. He's right there. I can't see him. Yeah, he's going down to the bottom. Yeah. He went down to the bottom anymore, so he went bye-bye. He went to go eat or take a nap. Or whatever turtles do, baby. So that's the way we came down. Uh-huh. So for those who watch me or don't know me, I'm from the San Diego area, so we are new to Texas. So everything that you see probably in my footage, we're exploring. Put that down, please. We're exploring. We're new to Texas, so we don't know anything out here. So sorry my footage hasn't been really crazy. I don't know a lot of things out here, so I'm learning. I'm exploring and learning Texas. So yeah, so you guys are gonna come along on the trips that the places that we find out. I looked up online this place. It's an hour away from the house, which is fine. It's no big deal. So, but I just forgot the carrier, so I couldn't do the hike. But at least, no, please, because I don't know what's down there. But my son's still having fun, and we're having fun. We're making the most of it, and we'll come back again, and we'll actually do the trail. I just need to bring my daughter's carrier, because there's no way I'm carrying her butt all the way up that 3 mile hike, and the stroller won't make it, probably not. So, but yeah, it's beautiful out here. So yeah, so I moved here from San Diego just about 2 weeks ago, so I'm learning everything from Texas. I'm in close to Austin, the Bastrop area, but yeah, stay tuned to see what are the places we explore here. And if anybody watching me is from the Texas area or I've ever been, if you know any good places to take my kids or just any good places, let me know in the comments below. Thank you. What, baby? I can't hear you.
I did the turtle food and the fish food.
Where's the turtle food?
The turtle food and the ice.
Don't go down there, baby.
What?
Don't go down there.
But the should gone to eat the down.
The turtles eat stuff in the water, baby. They don't need us to feed them. They're okay. They're not pets. So they get fed on their own, baby. But good job trying to help them.
The other.
You're gonna give them your water?
Yeah.
They have tons of water. Don't you see all that water that they're living in?